Will crying break your prayer? Crying in prayer doesn't break your prayer if it's a natural reaction to a verse you've heard or being in prayer and then you start to sob. It will not break your prayer. However, continuous crying and wailing over a long duration of time will break your prayer. The odd sniff, cough to clear your throat, the odd sound involuntary does not break your prayer. There is some leeway within prayer. What must be understood is that prayer is a formalized mode of worship, and thus it has a form that you can look at and say this is prayer. So there is some leeway in what you do, but if you move too far towards one side, you will render your prayer invalid because it loses the shape of its prayer.